Panorama has two main pools. This one is the beach pool, and it is the one that's in the main area. It's got two depths on either side, 4 to 6 feet, and then we have these beautiful cabanas where you can sit and wet your feet and watch your kids swim. The second pool is the Tides pool. It's right by the all-you-can-eat 24-hour pizza bar. It is a little smaller, right on the back of the ship. It's basically got the pool in the middle and then 2 hot tubs on either side. We found on our trip that this one was a lot less busy than the main pool. Up next is the water park. This is probably the best element of the water elements on the Panorama. It is Dr. Seuss themed. Good splash pad, nice and big. Lots of places for little kids to play. You can see right here there's a bar. It's empty right now. That's where the tubes go that you have to get for the tube slide. Now they would not let me go on the slide. So this blue one back here, that's the regular slide, and then this orange one here is the tube slide. Up here is the buckets that dump. There's also a way to get up to the water slides here. And then there's 2 little slides for younger children over here. Right now I'm standing under an overhang where the bucket dumps. It probably only dumps every 5 to 10 minutes, and it soaked me. Here are the slides for the younger kids from the top side. They do have this water that is constant flowing. And you'll see more of these when Ride takes the kid cam. There isn't much back here, just one little water feature that has basically 3 spouts. I guess it would be a good place to get out of the water if you need a little break. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the kid cam.